Testing is super important when it comes to any kind of design. It helps the designer to figure out if there is any misunderstanding and to spot the problems, and foremost to validate that the logo communicates efficiently and properly the brand. Here are 5 tests that you can do and that will remove most of the common mistakes of any design. When we work a lot on something, we get used to it. We get also used to imperfections and we don't see things like fresh eyes will do. The first step is to rest and wait for some days. This way, when you come back, you'll be able again to spot what's wrong. You can do it several times until you feel there is nothing to change anymore. If you have a printer, print your logo, if possible on several sizes. This way you verify first that your logo can be printed. And this is really important. And the second is how it behaves on paper. Maybe you will realize that the colors or the texture or something is not working. Is the logo still clear from further? Do you still understand what it's about? Do you feel the little details are kind of confusing from far? Show to someone your logo for 1 second, just 1 second. Then ask them to redraw it. Doing this, you can check if your logo is memorable easily. Show your logo at least to 5 people, if possible from different backgrounds and ages, and ask them to guess what the company of the project behind this logo is about. If any of these tests fail, well, you may have some extra work to do, but this is good because at least you spotted the error instead of your clients or anyone else that would have a catastrophic effect on your reputation. So don't worry about it, just take one by one, test them, retest, until you get something you are really proud of, you are really satisfied, and most importantly, that is working, that is efficient.